Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play in the hide and seek party. So basically, to go to to any hide and seek party, you are going to go to parties in your watch. So go to your watch and go to parties, and you're going to select the one that says hide and seek party, of course. And you're just going to join the one that says either in preparation, and you're just going to press confirm join. If the town is full, you can still join it, but when you're done with the party, you'll be booted out of the town again. So you'll get two roles, either the investigative journalist or the mysterious Grimkin. If you're the journalist, you are the hunter. If you are the Grimkin, you are the prop. It's like prop hunt basically. So you're just going to wait for them to kind of hide, and then you're going to then use your camera to take pictures of the props that are actually people. I guess it is just prop hunt. So I'll show you what it looks like. So, but sometimes you'll see the prop move around, like that one there, the Bavarian moved. But sometimes it is a little bit hard to kind of see. For this one, it's a little bit easy because they just tried hiding, so everything's moving around. So you're just going to take pictures, and then sometimes there's also a timer that says how far you are from the prop. But you're just going to see if anything is out of place. They can place more than one of themselves in the house. It's a little bit harder if the house is crowded, by the way. So it says here there seems to be Grimkin 6 meters away from you, and you kind of have to see where it is. And as you can see, I found it. And then if you get the mysterious Grimkin, it is a little bit difficult. I didn't know what to do at first, but basically you can place more than one of the furniture you are currently using, but then it got changed again when the game started. So here you can place down the table here, for instance, and then there's another button where you can rotate what you want yourself to be, basically. So here, I think I did that here, but later you kind of respawn somewhere else. You can change what you look like. Maybe I should have done that. But basically, I got caught here. You can lock yourself in a position. This was me changing it in the middle of the game. But basically, you can lock yourself. But I think I was a little bit too late, and one of the journalists saw me right over there. But in the end, I was hiding behind just the house and stuff like that. As you can see, you can change it again. And you can also see your hide mode. So right now they can't see you if you are moving, but I think before they could see me moving. So here I just locked myself and they couldn't see me here. You also need to pop the bubbles to earn points, the psionic bubbles. So yeah, that is how you can play the hide and seek event in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!